Supplemental Security Income, or SSI, is a federal disability benefits program funded by general tax revenues. Under this program, people are provided with cash in order to pay for basic necessities such as food, shelter, and clothes. SSI is primarily for disabled persons who became disabled as children or at a young age, or otherwise do not have a significant work or income history that would qualify them for SSDI benefits. The goal of the SSI program is to ensure that all people who are disabled and unable to work receive at least a minimum amount of monthly benefits, regardless of their work or income history. However, there are no benefits available for dependent spouses or children, and there are certain restrictions on your assets and income in order to be eligible for SSI. As a prepaid legal member, when you have questions, just pick up the phone and call your provider attorney. Since prepaid legal plan benefits vary from plan to plan, consult your plan contract for specific plan benefits.